Dark one. He has powerful chest muscles that go right down to his bones, razor sharp hooked talons. He has immensely powerful vision, up to 8 times more powerful than humans. He has a loud voice. You can hear that. And they use the loud voice to communicate among each other in the forest and also to defend their territory.
It looks like this.
Jerry is one of the most aggressive eagle in this type. His instinct for hunting is extremely strong. Some of our birds love to wandering around. That's why we have to be careful when Jerry comes out, because he often attacks another bird. They catch their prey on the ground by using their powerful claws with high speed. And now let's focus on the ground. We will show you hawk eagle basic instinct. Nah, Bapak Ibu semua, sekarang silakan perhatikan ke arah tanah. Kami akan tunjukkan naluri alami dari jenis elang berontak ini. Okay, here it goes. 1, 2, and 3. Come on, Jerry, quick and alright. You got it. That was very quick indeed. And now Jerry is covering his prey by both of his wings to avoid another raptor from snatching it. In the wild, these birds feed on all sorts of prey, including lizards, snakes, as well as birds, or sometimes even baby monkeys. It is a very aggressive eagle. Nah, di alam liar mereka memangsa hampir segala jenis mangsa, dimulai yang kecil hingga yang besar, seperti kadal, ular, burung, bahkan anak monyet. Good job, Jerry. See you.
Bye-bye.
See you now. Once again, please, and don't touch your hair. Don't touch. He's coming down. Stop, Birdie. Are you okay? Okay. The head? No, we don't need the head anymore. I think that's enough. Thank you so much.
lucu. Ini Bob, kayak nggak bisa nonton ya. Wih, dapat